Welcome to this channel. Today we will be discussing on how to attract money. We all know that money does not grow on trees. No, money does not grow on trees. That is why today's topic says how to attract money. How do I attract wealth to myself? Today in our communities, in our countries, we find out that some people are poor, some people are rich. Why are some people poor and some people are rich is what we will be treating today. What is the secret behind some rich, some poor? So today's topic is how to attract money. How do I attract wealth? Money does not grow on trees. You have to do something to get something. So that is today's topic. Stay with us and we'll be discussing 4 to 5 tips on how to attract money in your life. And number 1 is by studying your environment. Yes, studying your environment has a lot to do with you on how to attract money, attract wealth to yourself. Today, technology has been advanced to the extent that everybody wants to make money online. It's good. But the truth is that everybody cannot succeed making money online. If you have tried making money online and you failed or you couldn't succeed, why don't you try making money offline? Yes, that is why today's topic is how to attract money. How do I attract wealth? And number 1 is by studying your environment. Your environment has a lot to do with you making money. So you have to study your environment. That is the first thing you are to do. For instance, if you stay in Africa, the kind of things you will do in your environment in Africa to make money and succeed, to attract wealth to yourself, is not the same thing you will do in Europe, Japan, and in America. That is why the first step for you to attract wealth to yourself is by studying your environment and know what works most in your environment. That is the first step for you to attract wealth. There is no how you can attract wealth without giving something in exchange for wealth. Now, number 2. After you have studied your environment, you now understand what is in high demand in my environment. What is in high demand in my environment simply means, what do people need? What can I offer people that is in high demand in exchange for money? You cannot acquire money without exchange of goods and services. That is why the first step is to study your environment. Second step is to understand what works in your environment. What do people actually need in your environment? After understanding your environment and know what people actually need in your environment, that is what will take us to step 3. Number 3 tips is learn the skills that is in demand in your environment. Yes, after you might have studied your environment where you find yourself on earth, to understand what is in high demand, the skills, the services that you can offer in exchange for money in your environment, takes us to number 3. Go and learn that skill that is in high demand in your environment. You know, everybody cannot make money online. That is just the truth. And I'm here to encourage people that couldn't succeed in making money online. It must not be online. It might be offline. Yes, step number 3 is for you to go and acquire the skills that works in your environment. Yes, a lot of skills are going on. People are doing all sorts of things to survive. Idleness leads to poverty. You have to learn the skills that works in your environment After acquiring the skills and technique and technology in your environment, be it whatever thing you can do that is in high demand in your environment, you have to go and learn that skill. After acquiring the skills that work in your environment, it will now take us to step number 4. Work with it. Provide solution to those challenges, to those problems in your environment in exchange for money. That is step number 4. Work with those things that are highly needed. After you have acquired the skill, you now work towards it. You now work for it in exchange of money. This step number 4 is very important. You don't have to be lazy. You have to work with that skills you have acquired in your environment in exchange for money. Thank you very much for listening to today's tutorial, and if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to this channel so that you can listen to more of my helpful tips across the globe. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and also share these videos across your website, across your blog, to encourage others after you might have subscribed. Thank you and see you next time. God bless. Bye.